The DAYOFWEEK function is a function that returns the numerical value of the day of week for all values in a date-time column. For example, Sunday would be a numerical value of 1, and Monday would be a numerical value of 2. Let's begin by creating a beast mode called DAYOFWEEK. Now, let's see how this looks in our data. It is always a best practice to check your aggregation settings on any column you bring into a card. In this case, we want to make sure the DAYOFWEEK column is not aggregated. This function has successfully extracted the numerical day of the week from our date-time column. Thank you for watching. Follow Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.